You're watching The Money Show with me, Kavita Thapliyal, and there are a plethora of funds available in the market to invest your hard-earned money in. But how do you assess which is the right fund for your portfolio? What are the criteria that one should look at to help you navigate through this maze? Today I have Shweta Jain from Investography with me. Also, do not forget to send us your portfolio queries on our WhatsApp number, which is 865-797-4571. You can also email us your queries on themoneyshow@etnow.tv. Hi, good evening, Shweta, and welcome to The Money Show. And we have a lot of queries via email today, and the first question is coming from Neha. She writes that she wants to have a corpus of 3 crores in 20 years, and she also wants to, she's invested in a few schemes in which she also wants to do a step up. So she has Nippon India Power, Aditya Birla Sun Life Flexi Cap, Kotak Equity Opportunities, ICICI Pru Large and Mid Cap, Nippon India Multi Cap, Mirasit Large Cap, Kotak Flexi Cap, SBI Blue Chip. She's also putting money in NPS. So that's a kind of portfolio, a lot of repetition in terms of fund categories. What is your suggestion?
Hi, Kavita. Thanks for having me on the show. First of all, I'd like to address the target amount that she has put. 3 crores in 20 years would be roughly equivalent to about a crore plus today's value because of inflation. So I want her to be cognizant of that fact, because if she's thinking 3 crores at today's value, then this amount needs to go up. For this, she needs to invest 30K per month if her target is 3 crores in 20 years' time. So this is something that she should be investing. She is investing a little lesser, but like she's mentioned, she's going to keep stepping up. I think that's a good thing. There is a repetition in the scheme types. There's a lot of repetition in terms of holding. So I would want to make some changes in her portfolio. Nippon India Power and Aditya Birla Sun Life Flexi Cap are two schemes that I think she can definitely change to UTI Nifty 50. She already has it. She can add on to that. And Kotak Emerging Equity. These will add the much needed diversification that she needs. I don't want to make all changes at one shot as well, but there are multi-cap schemes and flexi cap as well additionally there. But she can maybe change this after 6 months or so. Give it some time. Make sure she checks the tax implications before she makes any changes. NPS is a great addition to the portfolio, and that's something that she can keep doing and also keep adding.
Right. Quickly, we'll take Sonia's question. She's investing 10,000 via SIP, SBI Small Cap, UTI Nifty 50 Index, HDFC Flexi Cap. She wants to know if these funds are good enough for 15 years.
The portfolio looks good. It will be close to about 2 crores, assuming 12 plus percentage kind of returns. But to give a number, saying what will this be exactly after 20 years is slightly dicey. The idea should be that she continues to keep investing and make sure that when she's closer to her goals, maybe 2-3 years away from the goals, she starts looking at cashing in the equity, moving it to safer avenues, so as to her goals are not just depending on the market conditions at that time, but she has made sure that the money is in safer options before that. It could be liquid funds, it could be bank account, whatever she's comfortable at that point of time.
All right. I think with that, it's a time up for today, Shweta. Thank you so much for being on the show and helping our viewers with their queries. On that note, time to sign off. But I'm going to leave our viewers with our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can send us your questions. 865-797-4571 is the WhatsApp number. The email ID is themoneyshow@etnow.tv, where we pick up your questions from and do your live financial planning on the show. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.